Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the double tap or double click isn't working on your MacBook trackpad. Whether it's a settings glitch or a sensitivity issue, I've got a quick and easy fix for you. Click the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. Now scroll down and click on Accessibility from the sidebar. Next, click on Pointer Control. Now click on Mouse and Trackpad. You'll see a slider labeled Double Click Speed. Try dragging it slightly to the left to slow it down. Test the double tap again. This usually fixes the issue if it was a timing problem. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more MacBook and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.